This is Bhumika Parekh from Leal Public School. We are taking class 8 English grammar today with the topic determiners. We have already discussed a few points on this slide and today we are going to complete it. We know what determiners are, we know the types, we know articles, we know demonstratives, we know possessives, and we were dealing with quantifiers. We understood what quantifiers are. Quantifiers are basically indefinite adjectives, which we can call them. Okay, they describe more about the noun. They'll give you more information about the noun. Okay, and they will tell you the quantity it has, which is not fixed generally. Which is not fixed generally. Okay. The first which we are taking is some, which we have discussed yesterday also. It is goes with affirmative verbs, and it leads to some singular, uncountable, unknown story, unknown quantity. Okay. Then any goes with negative ones. Okay. It will go with hardly, scarcely, or barely. And it could mean practically every or no practical one. So it gives us two different meanings. Then we have much and many. Much and many are basically the same thing. The only difference between them is that much will go with uncountable nouns which are in singular form, and many will go with countable nouns which are in plural form. This will go with singular uncountable, and many will go with plural countable nouns. Then we have a little and little. A little means not much, and little means not much in a negative form, and a little means in a positive form. दोनों का जो मतलब है वो होता है थोड़ा सा, लेकिन लिटिल जो है वो नेगेटिव फॉर्म में जाता है और अ लिटिल जो है वो हमेशा पॉजिटिव फॉर्म के अंदर आएगा. We took the example of language that day. I speak little Spanish. I will need a translator to help me. Little use क्या है मतलब negative कि जितना मुझे आता है that is not enough. And when I'm saying a little, I speak a little Japanese. I use it when I go to Japan. So here also the knowledge is less only. बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं आता है, लेकिन that is in a positive form that it is enough for my usage. And little के अंदर जो है वो हमेशा आएगा कि भाई it is not enough for me या that is not sufficient for me. दोनों का जो basic difference है वो यही है. ठीक है. Then we have all, every, and each. All, every, and each. What I have done is I have taken different adjectives together so that you can understand it by their difference easily. All, every, and each. All of you are very familiar with these words, but what they basically mean and how are they different, we are going to see. Each, use each when referring to individual members of a group one at a time. When you're talking to individual members and you're talking to one person at a time, जब आप एक एक करके किसी से बात कर रहे हो तब आप each लेओगे. ठीक है. जब हम एग्जांपल्स लेंगे तब डिफरेंस और क्लियर हो जाएगा. We use every to talk about collectively things more than individually in mean. ठीक है. कलेक्टिवली जब आप ज्यादा बात कर रहे हो, इंडिविजुअली नहीं बात करके, जब आप पूरे ग्रुप से मतलब या ऑलमोस्ट पूरे ग्रुप से जब आप बात कर रहे हो तब आप एवरी लोगे. एंड ऑल का मतलब होता है टोटल. ठीक है. जनरली इसके अंदर क्या लेते हैं हम, नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स, नंबर ऑफ टोटल थिंग्स या टोटल नंबर ऑफ थिंग्स की जितने भी है वो सारे के सारे. ठीक है. ईच आर्टिस्ट सीज थिंग्स डिफरेंटली. हर एक आर्टिस्ट मतलब वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एवरी आर्टिस्ट इंडिविजुअली. Supposingly there are 20 artists, तो यहाँ पे जब हम कह रहे हैं each artist sees differently means we are talking about each and every artist. ठीक है. एक एक आर्टिस्ट की हम इंडिविजुअली बात कर रहे हैं. ये आर्टिस्ट नंबर 1 से लेके आर्टिस्ट नंबर 20 तक इंडिविजुअली एक एक जो है वो अपनी अपनी चीजों को अलग तरीके से देखता है, अपने परसेप्शन से देखता है. ठीक है. एवरी, आई शेव एवरी मॉर्निंग. ठीक है. या इसका लास्ट एग्जांपल लेते हैं. एवरी आर्टिस्ट इज सेंसिटिव, कि सारे जो आर्टिस्ट होते हैं वो सेंसिटिव ही होते हैं. सारे जो आर्टिस्ट होते हैं वो सेंसिटिव ही होते हैं। तो ईच के अंदर मैंने किसके बारे में बात करी, एक एक आर्टिस्ट के बारे में इंडिविजुअली बात करी, लेकिन एवरी के अंदर जब मैं बात कर रही हूँ तो मैं उन सब के बारे में एक साथ बात कर रही हूँ, ठीक है। देन ऑल जब हम लेंगे तो इट मीन्स टोटल नंबर ऑफ, ठीक है, ऑल चिल्ड्रन नीड केयर, ऑल द चिल्ड्रन नीड केयर, जितने भी चिल्ड्रन हैं इस दुनिया के अंदर पूरे टोटल जो भी नंबर है उनका, उन सबको जरूरत होती है किसकी, केयर की, ठीक है। ईच गोज फॉर इंडिविजुअल, एवरी फॉर कलेक्टिवली, ठीक है। वन और टू माइट बी एन एक्सेप्शंस इन एवरी, बट व्हेन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ऑल वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट ईच एंड एवरी वन, ठीक है। एक एक की मतलब टोटल में बात कर रहे हैं, ईच के अंदर तो हम इंडिविजुअली बात करेंगे, every we are talking collectively, we might miss out a few, but all means the total number, we are not even missing out a single one. So every and all is very confusing, ठीक है। every in which in every we are talking collectively about things, and in all we are talking about the total number, and each is a different concept in itself. We are talking about every member individually, ठीक है। The soldiers each received a medal. We need each other. They hated each other. तो यहाँ पे individually group है, ठीक है। The group can be of even of two people. We are talking about each and every one individually. Okay. Every she wanted to get away from everyday life. So रोजमर्रा की जिंदगी है. She needed a break from that. I take a break every 3 hours. हर 3 घंटे में मैं एक ब्रेक लेती हूँ, ठीक है। And every artist is sensitive. All the artists, exceptions may be there. If we take this and I take a break every 3 hours, means that every 3 hours I take a break, but it is a possibility that sometime I might not take, ठीक है। वो बोला नहीं जाता लेकिन it means in that way. I stayed home all day instead of going to work. All day means the total number of hours in the day is been done. All men are equal. Everyone, the total number, you're not missing even a single person, and all children need care. All cheetah are fast. अब ऐसा कोई भी चीता नहीं है दुनिया which is slow, which will move slowly, right? So that is why we are talking about all cheetah are fast. जितने भी cheetahs है पूरे world के अंदर, the total number of cheetahs are very fast in the world. Then we have he ignored her all day. वापस वो all day first वाला आ गया. Then we have either, neither versus both. Okay, either भी आपको लेना है, neither भी लेना है और both भी लेना है. I'm speaking out the you can just look at these small things. Both के अंदर it is English and Spanish, means दोनों. Either means English और Spanish, ठीक है। And neither में आ जाता है French nor Arabic, ठीक है। तो both के अंदर आ जाता है दोनों, either के अंदर आ जाता है दोनों में से एक, और neither के अंदर आ जाता है दोनों में से एक भी नहीं. So whenever we are talking about either, neither or both, we are always talking about two things together. Okay, we are talking about two things together. In both, we will take both the things, means one also and B also. In either, we will take either A or B. And in neither, we will take neither A nor B. A भी नहीं, B भी नहीं. Either में या तो A या तो B, और both के अंदर A भी और B भी, ठीक है। I can speak both English and Spanish, means the person can speak English also and the person can speak Spanish also. Either I can speak either English or Spanish, ठीक है। I can speak English also. I can either speak English if you like, or I can speak Spanish if you like, ठीक है। And neither I can neither speak English nor Spanish, कि ना तो मैं English बोल सकती हूँ ना ही मैं Spanish बोल सकती हूँ, ठीक है। I hope the difference is clear very properly. It's either, both means both, मतलब A and B both. Either means A or B, neither means A nor B, ठीक है। Then we have most indicates all of the group, ठीक है। Most farmers are still using old methods of फार्मिंग की ज्यादातर जो फार्मर्स है, मोस्ट ऑल ऑफ द ग्रुप मीन्स यू आर टेकिंग दिस सिमिलर मीन्स somewhat like every, you are talking collectively about the whole group. There might be an exception, but we are not taking the exceptions. We are unaware of that exception. ठीक है? Most farmers are still using old methods of farming. Most farmers, यहाँ पे जब हम बात करें तो we are talking about almost all the farmers. So we are talking in a group and that is all of the group. ठीक है? Dampening her scarf, she closed her eyes and wiped most of the dust from her face. पूरा जो है वो उसने हटा लिया वहां से जो भी था. ठीक है? तो most means all of the group and that also in a very huge number. Some exceptions may be there, but we are not considering them. Another, other, and the other. Okay, there are some examples or some words which are not there in your book, but we are still taking them. Okay. Another is used with singular countable nouns. Other is used with plural or uncountable nouns. And the other is used with singular nouns, plural nouns, countable or uncountable nouns. Okay. Another means one, more, or an alternative. Another means alternative. Supposingly, if you have a bike, so another when I'm taking, I'll be telling that, okay, forget this bike. Do you have a car? Means I need an alternative for the bike. Okay, I need an alternative for the bike. That can you, or I may be even talking about the another bike also. That okay, you have a Pulsar. Do you also have a Bullet? ठीक है, तो Pulsar का alternative हम देख रहे हैं. अदर के अंदर हम क्या करते हैं, अदर के अंदर हम एक एडिशनल या एक्स्ट्रा देते हैं. ठीक है, ओके वी हैव वन बाइक, डू यू हैव अदर बाइक्स. मतलब एक तो हमारे पास है, लेकिन एक और आपके पास है क्या, एडिशनल आपके पास है क्या. उसके अनदर के अंदर तो हम पहले वाले को डिस्कार्ड करके दूसरे वाले को ले रहे हैं. अदर के अंदर हम पहले वाले के साथ में एक और ऑप्शन को ले रहे हैं. ठीक है, एंड the other we are talking when we have only two things and we are talking about the second thing of the group. Okay, like you have two books for English. Okay, so if I'm as one day you have brought only living English and I'm asking you that do you have the other book, means there are only two people, two things in the group, that is your living English book and your grammar book, and you have your living English. What am I asking for? I am asking for the other one in the group, means the one, द ग्रामर बुक. तो दो ही है ग्रुप के अंदर. फर्स्ट आपके पास है, मुझे फर्स्ट नहीं चाहिए, मुझे कौन सा चाहिए, सेकंड चाहिए. तो देयर ओनली टू, आई मीन आई नीड द सेकंड वन. ठीक है, अनादा के एग्जांपल्स देखेंगे. कैन यू मैनेज अनादर पीस ऑफ केक. दिस पीस ऑफ केक तो इज इनवैलिड फॉर यू, दिस इज डिस्कार्डेड. कैन यू अरेंज फॉर अनादर वन. ये तो आप भूल जाओ, इसके अलावा कोई दूसरा आप लेके आ सकते हो क्या. यू वुडंट रिमेम्बर मी, आई वाज इन अनदर ग्रुप. You will not remember me, I was in another group. There was some other group than yours which was your alternative. I was in that one. Okay, he tried his fortune in another city. He was living in Bikaner and he suddenly tried his fortune in supposingly Udaipur. Okay, so Bikaner is one city and now he's talking about completely another one, means one more or an alternative. He's not trying anything in Bikaner, he's trying everything in Udaipur. So that way it goes. Other, does life exist on other planets? Means life is there on Earth, but does it exist on other planets also? Earth पे तो है, उसके अलावा alternative में कोई दूसरा planet है क्या. ठीक है, we disputed with each other on various issues. each other जो है वो इसे है कि एक दूसरे के साथ में, कि एक के साथ तो वो जो प्रॉब्लम था वो चल ही रहा था, दूसरे के साथ भी प्रॉब्लम चलने लग गया. ठीक है, I'm sorry, but I have other plans. I'm sorry, but I have other plans. Okay, your plan is okay, fine, but I also have other plans. और भी मेरे पास और additional और extra plans भी मेरे पास है. The other, Sally is starting to play with the other children. Sally तो खेलती थी, लेकिन अब उसने धीरे धीरे क्या किया है, दूसरे बच्चों के, मतलब that was a group of Sally and the other kids. तो the other means the second person of the group. Okay. While the other children played together, Ted ignored them. ठीक है, वापस यहाँ पे यही चीज होगी कि बाकी के बच्चे जब खेल रहे थे तब टेड ने उनको इग्नोर कर दिया. तो दो ही ग्रुप है, वन इज टेड एंड द अदर वन इज द अदर चिल्ड्रन. ठीक है, तो दैट वे. The grass is greener on the other side. The whole field is divided into two parts. You are standing on one side, okay, and then you're talking about the grass that is greener on the other side on which you're not standing, okay. So that goes with another versus other and the other. Then we have enough versus two, okay. Too is used too many, too much, and verb plus too much. Okay? These are the ways too is used. And enough means sufficient. Too is more than sufficient. Okay? And enough means sufficient. Basic जो difference है वो यही है. Too का मतलब होता है जरूरत से ज्यादा और enough का मतलब होता है जितनी जरूरत है उतना ही. ठीक है? इनफ अगर नाउन के साथ यूज होना है तो इट विल बी यूज विद काउंटेबल और अनकाउंटेबल नाउन्स. ठीक है. हैव यू गॉट इनफ, हैव यू गॉट इनफ मनी टू बाय मी अ ड्रिंक, अनकाउंटेबल है. ठीक है. एंड देन नॉट इनफ ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स आर कमिंग, फ्रेंड्स जो है वो काउंटेबल है, तो काउंटेबल और इनफ अनकाउंटेबल दोनों के लिए, दोनों का जो मीनिंग है वहां पे क्या आएगा, सफिशिएंट आएगा. इट विल मीन सफिशिएंट ऑलवेज. ठीक है. When you're using it with verb, that becomes a different thing. Right now we are talking its usage with noun only. Okay, so it will go with countable as well as uncountable noun. Too many will go with countable noun and too much will go with uncountable. There are too many people on this train. Okay, people countable hai, so too many goes with people. That means countable noun, means more than enough. जितने की जरूरत है, if the sitting capacity is 10, तो there are 20 people, more than enough. And there are enough people on the train, means if the sitting capacity is 10, then there are either 8, 9 or 10 people. Okay, the sufficient will go with the meaning of enough. Enough will go with the meaning of sufficient and two will go with the meaning of more than enough. I hope that was clear. That was all we had in determiners.